Kyocera cutting tools, new products. CVD coated grades for steel, the CA515 and CA525. Let's introduce the 5 key advantages that will allow the CA515 and CA525 to improve your productivity. First, the CA515 and 525 feature a 40% higher bonding strength than our conventional CVD coatings. Second, high hardness and toughness in our alpha aluminum oxide layer provide longer tool life. Third, the smooth flat surface generates low cutting forces and prevents chip welding and sudden fracturing. The next advantage is a special carbide substrate with improved deformation resistance at high temperatures. This allows the CA515 and 525 to maintain their shape at higher cutting speeds. And finally, these grades are paired with our new PP and PQ chip breakers, designed specifically for steel machining. Shown here in structural steel, the CA525 and PQ chip breaker provide longer tool life and stable machining. Now let's examine the features of the PP and PQ chip breakers. The PP chip breaker for finishing improves chip evacuation and tangling at small cutting depths, even at increased feed rates. The 3-step dot design of the PP chip breaker provides chip control at a wide range of feed rates. A smooth tapered cutting edge reduces cutting force. This is a comparison of chip evacuation. The PP chip breaker prevents tangling and improves chip control. The PQ prevents chip tangling and reduces cutting forces at higher feed rates than our conventional mid-range chip breakers. The PQ chip breaker provides stable chip evacuation at a wide range of feed rates from finishing to medium due to a newly designed chip breaking area and a 2-step molded wall effect. Also, twin molded dots on the edge generate smooth chip control at small cutting depths and high feed rates. This is a chip control comparison. The PQ chip breaker prevents sudden fracturing due to chip tangling. The new PP and PQ chip breakers, which have been added to the conventional PS, PT, and PH chip breakers, are suitable for steel machining. Give CA515 and CA525 an opportunity to advance your productivity.